Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Lazypay for online purchases safely. You see, using Lazypay for online purchases involves a few simple steps. It means primarily leveraging the buy now pay later feature. Safety is built into the process through verification and the platform security measures, but user awareness is also key. The first thing you must do is have a Lazypay account and complete your verification process, that is the KYC. 2. Shop on partner websites and apps. Next, add items to cart and then proceed to checkout. Next, select Lazypay as the payment option. And next, yes, confirm purchase through a one-tap or OTP. Depending on the merchant and whether you are a first-time user, you may complete the purchase with a single tap or be required to verify the OTP sent to your registered. To verify the transaction with an OTP sent to your registered mobile number, the OTP adds an extra layer of security. So once you receive your confirmation, you have to use the Lazypay app to keep track of your transaction and your outstanding balance. This helps you to monitor your spending and stay within your limits. Also, don't forget to timely repay your dues. It's crucial for safe and responsible use. And also, initial KYC and OTP verification during transactions add security. There is also a secure platform. There's no share of bank details with merchants, and you have a spending limit. So it helps you to manage potential overspending. Also, regular monitoring of a transaction helps you to spot any unauthorized activity quickly. So the next we have is timely repayment, which is similar to what I said firstly. So by following these steps and being mindful of your repayment schedule, you can use Lazypay effectively and safely for your online purchases. Hope you found this video helpful.